Okay, let's begin. So I'm going to go one by one with everyone. Please on your cam so I can talk with you. Okay, let's start with Ahana. The first question is on your screen. In an AP, if D is -4, N is 7, and AN is 4, then A is equal to. So we know that. Acha, tell me, Ahana, what is D?
Differentiate,
Sorry,
difference. Uh,
sorry.
Sir, it's a difference.
Common difference.
Yeah, common difference, right,
Common
sir?
difference. What is N?
N is the number.
Term number.
Yeah, terms number, and the AN is the value of the terms number.
Nth term. We
Yeah,
call it
and
nth term, right? So the seventh term is 4. We can say that, say like that, right, Ahana? Seventh
yes, sir.
term is 4, and common difference is -4. You have to find the first term. You can use your pen and paper, and you can calculate, and you can let me know.
Yes, sir.
Your time is just 30 seconds, okay? Time has started already. Come on. Done, Ahana? Yes, you're saying something. I can't hear you.
No, sir. Yeah, 28. The
28, are you sure?
yes, sir.
I don't know because I have not calculated. Okay, so we'll directly see the answer.
Okay, sir.
Before we check the answer, I would like to ask everyone else if anybody else has calculated in the meanwhile and got the
Yes,
answer.
sir. Sir, 28.
Okay, let's check. Let's check. Yes, it is 28. Very nice. Let's go to the next question. If in an AP, if A is 3.5, D is 0. D is 0, they are saying, and N is 101. Then nth term will be. This, I think, no need to calculate. You can straight away give the answer. And I choose, let's see whose cam is on. Rashmika.
Yes, sir.
Rashmika,
It
you're
is
there.
3.5.
Very good, Rashmika. Rashmika says 3.5. Let's check the question again. First term is 3.5, common difference is 0. If the common difference is 0, no matter how many times you go on adding 0 to 3.5, it will remain 3.5. Right? So the answer is 3.5. Does everyone else agree?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. The next question. The list of numbers -10, -6, -2, 2 is AP with common difference -16, AP with common difference 4, AP with common difference -4 or not an AP? ध्यान से देख के करो, कोई जल्दी नहीं है. And I choose Anusha. Anusha, have a look at the question. You have 30 seconds, okay? 30 seconds is a fairly enough time to do these kind of questions. This is NCERT exemplar. Yes, Anusha.
Sir, I did not solve yet. Just
Oh,
copying the question.
don't copy, don't copy. Just solve. See the scribble and give me the answer. If you want all these questions, I'll send you, but just quickly give the answer.
Sir, C.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Are you 100% sure?
Yes, sir.
I don't think so because
No,
I
sir. Four.
four means you mean B.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. B is correct as per me. Does everyone else agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so correct answer is B. Let's check. Yes, it is. Oops, we have got the answer here itself. Okay, let's go to this question. Question number 5, okay, not 4 because 4's answer is in front of us. There is no point solving it. Question number 5. The first four terms of an AP whose first term is -2 and common difference is also -2 are, and I choose Arya Ayushi. Arya Ayushi. You both can answer, no problem. First four terms of an AP whose first term is -2 and common difference is also -2. Arya Ayushi. This can be done orally. There is no issue in this. Come on, guys. Don't take so much time.
Sir, C answer.
Very good. The answer is C. I agree with you. What about everyone? Is it C or is it D?
Yes, sir.
C. Let's check. Yes, C is correct. Next question is in front of you. 21st term of an AP whose first two terms are -3 and 4. Now, this you have to calculate because you have to find 21st term. So, you have to calculate using the nth terms formula. Okay, 21st term of an AP whose first terms are -3 and 4. Who will give me this answer? Manushri. Look at the question. Take your time. Maximum 1 minute. Manushri done.
No, sir. Just a second.
Okay.
So 17.
Okay, 17 you say. The option A. I'm not sure because the common difference as per me is 7, and we have to find the 21st term. So I think it's going to be a little bigger number. What about anybody else getting any other answer?
So
For me, yeah,
137.
137.
137.
137.
Yes, I
137.
suspected that. 137, let's check. Yes, it is the correct answer, 137. Manushri, where did you make mistake?
So I calculated the 0 minus plus.
Okay. Okay, I hope you don't make that mistake again. Okay, next we are going to choose. Yeah, please on your cam. How can I choose somebody whom I don't know क्या कर रहा है? Please on your cam. Everyone. Okay. Vedant. Vedant,
Okay, sir.
have a look at this question. Seventh question. Second term of an AP is 13 and fifth term is 25. What is the seventh term? You have to calculate, okay? This cannot be done orally. This is kind of a question which has to be solved. Come on, do it. 1 minute tops, okay? Not more than that. So you know that you don't have to solve with all the steps. Others can also solve. There is no restriction on them so that we can verify the answer.
Sir, can I tell the answer?
Yes, please.
Sir, B 33.
Okay, let's check. Yes, the seventh term is 33. Anybody else getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Okay, next we are going to do, just a moment. I have to mute this. Yes. Question number 9th. Lekhna, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, Lekhna. Question number 9. If the common difference of an AP is 5, then what is the difference between its 18th and the 13th term? Now, there is a trick of doing this question. The trick is that between every term there is a difference of 5. So the difference between 18th and the 13th term, how many terms are there between 18th and the 13th term? Are we talking about 5 terms?
Yes, sir.
So if there are 5 terms, see, if there is one term, the difference is 5. If there are 5 terms, what will be the difference? Lekhna.
Sir, 25.
Yeah, I also think 25. Now I want to ask you, is there any other way with which we can solve this question?
So,
Yes.
so we can take A18 as A plus 7D minus A plus 12D.
Okay.
And
A plus 17D and A plus 12D, you are saying. The value of 18th and the 13th term.
yes, sir.
And then
So
we
A,
can find the difference.
yes.
Okay. Try that. Try that.
Sir, I tried the answer is coming.
What is the answer?
Sir, 25.
Okay. So that is one more way of doing this question. Did you understand, Lekhna?
Yes, sir.
We can take the values of 18th term and 13th term, subtract them, get the answer. Otherwise, you can guess the answer by understanding that if the common difference between two consecutive terms is 5, then the common difference between 5 terms will be 5 times 5, that is 25. Let's check.
Sir, can you
Yes.
repeat the first method?
The first method is as shown here, over here. They have taken A plus 17D, that is the formula of 18th term, minus A plus 12D, that is the formula for 12th term. And then they have simplified, A gets cut, and you get the answer 25, as shown over here. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let's go to the next question. What is the common difference of an AP in which 18th term minus 14th term is 32? Now this is easy, and I want you to try that orally first. Okay, so who will try? Many people still have not on their cam. I want you to Vaishali. Vaishali, I want you to try this. पहले orally करते हैं, बाद में you can we can check with the steps. 18th and 14th term difference कितना है बेटा? 18th और 14th term में 4 terms का difference है ना?
No, sir, 8.
Sorry,
Option A answer.
option A
8.
is the answer. Yes, yes, but how did you get it?
So because like 18 minus 14 is 4, 32 upon 4 is 8.
Correct. That means if the difference between 4 terms is 32, then the difference between uh, two consecutive terms will be 32 divided by 4, that is 8. Or else, if this is not the way, if this is the shortcut, then what will be the actual method for it? हम लोग क्या करेंगे? 18th टर्म की जगह पे a plus 17d लिखेंगे और 14th टर्म की जगह पे a plus 13d लिखेंगे और सिंप्लीफाई करके विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ d पूरे इक्वेशन में डाल के, राइट?
Yes, sir.
So the answer is 8, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's check. Yes, it is 8. Okay, next question. Let's see who didn't get chance. Mohit, you were online just a while ago. Mohit, you're there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mohit. Please try this. 11th question. Two APs have the same common difference. The first term of one of these matlab one of the AP is -1 and that of the other matlab first term of the other AP is -8. उनका कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम है, फर्स्ट टर्म दोनों की अलग अलग है. द डिफरेंस बिटवीन देयर फोर्थ टर्म इज. बहुत अच्छा, बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन. कम ऑन, ट्राई दिस.
Sir, not getting it.
वाई यार, बहुत इजी है तो. मेरे को एक बात बता मोहित,
Yes, sir.
दो एपी है, दोनों का कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम है.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, दोनों की फर्स्ट टर्म दी है अपने को, -1 है एक की और दूसरे की -8 है. कितना
Yes, sir.
कितना डिफरेंस है इनकी फर्स्ट टर्म में?
First term -7.
-7 कैसे?
Sorry.
7 का डिफरेंस.
-9. 7. हाँ, 7.
7 का डिफरेंस है यार, सिर्फ 7 का डिफरेंस है दोनों में.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, -8 में जब हम 7 ऐड करेंगे तो -1 मिलेगा, मतलब 7 का
Yes, sir.
डिफरेंस है दोनों में. अच्छा, अभी -1 और -8 में सपोज एक नंबर मैं ऐड करता हूँ, सपोज मैं 2 ऐड करता हूँ, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा?
Yes, sir.
2 ऐड करने
1.
पे -1 1 हो जाएगा एंड
Yes, sir.
-8 क्या हो जाएगा? -6.
10 -6. Okay, हाँ.
2 ऐड कर रहा हूँ मैं. ठीक है, तो अभी
Yes.
1 और -6 हो गया. डिफरेंस कितना
Yes,
है
sir.
दोनों में?
Sir, diff 7.
तुम कुछ भी ऐड करो, दोनों में सेम कॉमन डिफरेंस ऐड करो, तो उनके बीच का डिफरेंस मतलब द डिफरेंस बिटवीन देयर फर्स्ट टर्म और द डिफरेंस बिटवीन देयर फोर्थ टर्म, द डिफरेंस बिटवीन देयर 100th टर्म विल रिमेन 7 ओनली.
Yes, sir.
समझा? लॉजिक
Yes,
समझा
sir.
इसके पीछे?
Yes, sir.
तो तुम एक काम कर सकते हो ना, इसका फोर्थ टर्म निकाल सकते हो. द डिफरेंस बिटवीन देयर फोर्थ टर्म इज टू बी फाउंड. तो फोर्थ टर्म क्या होगा? a + 3d.
Yes, sir.
तो -1
दो-
+ 3d एंड -8 + 3d. 3d तो दोनों में सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो कैंसिल ही हो जाएगा ना,
Yes, sir.
बचेगा 7.
सब मैंने बाहर तक किया था.
ओके, फिर जस्ट डिफरेंस निकालना था. सो यू वुड हैव गॉट 7. So 7 is the correct answer. Does everybody in agreement with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
7 is the correct answer.
Yes.
Yes, 7 is the correct answer.
So,
Yes.
sir, in this question, we have to divide the second, subtract the second term from the first term, right?
You can do, see the difference between their fourth term पूछा है. It is not necessary that you subtract second term, first term from the second term or second term from the first term. Anything is fine. दोनों के
सर क्वेश्चन
yes
सेकंड टर्म से क्या मेरा -7 आंसर आ रहा है इसलिए
नहीं आना चाहिए एक्चुअली, क्योंकि if you see the difference between, जब डिफरेंस बिटवीन पूछते हैं तो दोनों में कितना गैप है, दैट्स व्हाट दे आर मीनिंग टू इट. दोनों में गैप कितना है, 7 का गैप है. हाँ, सो दैट इज द आइडिया. सो डिफरेंस बिटवीन टर्म्स, टू टर्म्स का आंसर मेरे ख्याल से हमेशा पॉजिटिव ही आएगा. डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू टर्म्स ऑफ टू सेपरेट एपीज, जहाँ पे मतलब इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन में यू कैन नॉट गेट नेगेटिव आंसर. ऐसा है.
ओके
इवन इफ
सर मैं जो
या टेल.
सर जो फर्स्ट टर्म से मैंने -1 + 3d +8 - 3d किया तो मेरा 7 आ रहा है. और जब मैंने 8 - 3d +1 - 3d किया तो मेरा -7 आ रहा था. -8 +1 करके.
ओ, मतलब -8 + 3d -1 + 3d, ये बोल रहे हो तुम? यस, तो -8 + 1 हो जाएगा. -8 + 1 is -7. Correct. You are correct. But we don't. In that case also, we'll take the difference to be 7. You understand कि difference का meaning यहाँ पे क्या लिया है? It's not the subtraction actually. It is the gap between two terms. Gap between them. That is the meaning to it. So even if you see -7, is its numerical value, but actual difference is 7 between the fourth terms of these two APs. So in the case where you are getting minus answer, I don't know how to write it, but the difference will remain 7. -7 is not even the option. Do you see that? Although you are getting -7, and that's a legitimate way of doing it because you can find the difference in any order, right? But still you will choose 7. Are you getting the logic? Harshita na? Harshita ही है ना?
नहीं सर
Manushri. Are you getting the logic मैं क्या बात कर रहा हूँ?
यस सर.
The difference would remain 7 even if you're getting answer -7 because we are finding कि उन दोनों के बीच में कितना गैप है. 7 places का गैप है, ऐसा.
ओके
That is what they mean. Okay, 13th question. Who will help me? Harshita, 13th question.
Yes, sir.
The fourth term from the end of the AP -11, -8, -5, and the last term is 49. Okay, so that's the full AP. Fourth term from the end is. Your time has started. Yes, Harshita.
So just a minute, I'm making some calculation mistake, I guess.
Okay, okay. Take your time. Anybody else got the answer? Please don't tell the answer, but if you've got the answer, please tell yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Don't.
Yes, sir, I have got it.
Okay, okay. Can you tell me?
40B.
Uh, everyone else, 40 is correct.
Yes, sir.
So it's for, I'm getting 30. There is just 40, 40. So B, 40.
40, 40. Yeah, that's what she told. 40, 40. Let's check. Yes, 40 is correct. So in this question, we have to find fourth term from the end, which we can use the uh, direct formula. But if you are not comfortable with the direct formula, there is one more method that is called reverse AP method. Reverse AP. So यहाँ पे we can see that the common difference is plus 3. 3 is the common difference. ठीक है, -11 +3 -8 +3 -5. ठीक है, common difference is 3. अब this AP goes up to 49. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे पता है, 49 को फर्स्ट टर्म बना देंगे और कॉमन डिफरेंस को बना देंगे -3. कॉमन डिफरेंस को रिवर्स कर देंगे. सो दैट्स व्हाट रिवर्स एपी मेथड इज. व्हाट यू डू इन रिवर्स एपी मेथड, द लास्ट टर्म becomes the first term. The common difference changes its sign. So if the common difference is +3, it becomes -3. And fourth term from the end, if you have to find nth term from the end, suppose, then it becomes nth term from the beginning. So now you will find just the fourth term, first term being 49 and common difference being -3. And if you apply your normal formula, not this special formula, but the normal formula, then you can easily find the fourth term from the end. So that's how they have found 40. Wow, this is this is the next question I don't know the answer to. Anybody else?
So I guess it's C.
Gauss,
Yes, sir, maybe.
the famous mathematician associated with finding the sum of first 100 natural numbers, is Gauss. I don't think it's Gauss, because Gauss has Gauss is a physicist, and Gauss's law is basically related with the electrostatics. But we don't know, Newton, like Newton has made discoveries in physics also, like in mechanics also, in optics also, in mathematics also. Euclid is associated with geometry. Pythagoras also I don't know. So I'm little bit confused between Pythagoras and Euclid, because Newton is little bit new. Gauss is also very new, I think. New in terms of he came late. So I'm confused between Pythagoras and Euclid. किसी और को आइडिया है? प्लीज गूगल पे सर्च मत मार देना. मेरे को लगता है पाइथागोरस या यूक्लिड. लेट्स सी. ओह, गॉस. किसने बताया ये? गॉस कौन बोला?
Harshita.
मेरे को गॉस का टाइमलाइन देखना पड़ेगा यार, बिकॉज okay, 1777. So this is after Newton. Okay, that's fairly new. Means he was a he was not very ancient scientist. But I'm surprised that this is such a simple task which he has done so late. क्योंकि इसके पहले तो कैलकुलस भी आई थिंक इन्वेंट हो चुका था. सो आई एम रियली सरप्राइज्ड कि गॉस इतना लेट क्यों करेगा ये काम. एनीवेज. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 15th. ज़्यादा नहीं है, इतने ही क्वेश्चन है. लेट मी गिव चांस टू समबडी एल्स. अथर्व,
Yes, sir.
on your cam please. Atharva, have a look at the question. If the first term of an AP is -5 and the common difference is 2, then the sum of first 6 terms calculate करके बताओ. 1 minute tops, okay? चलो जल्दी जल्दी. Sum of first 6 terms का फॉर्मूला लगाना है.
Sir, 0.
Okay. I would like to ask anybody else. Please confirm, is the correct answer 0?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
very nice, Atharva. Let's check. Yes, 0 is the correct answer. Okay, let's go to question number 17th quickly. And who will attempt this? Archana, you're there? Yes, please attempt this question. 17th, question number 17th. In an AP, if first term is 1, nth term is 20, and sum of n terms is 399, then n is equal to. तो तेरे पास सम ऑफ n टर्म्स है, nth टर्म भी है, फर्स्ट टर्म भी है. क्या नहीं है यार तेरे पास? कॉमन डिफरेंस नहीं दिख रहा है मेरे को. कांट सी कॉमन डिफरेंस. And you have to find n.
So can I take the nth term as the last term?
Yes, you can. You can. मेरे को कभी भी वो फॉर्मूला याद ही नहीं रहता है लास्ट टर्म वाला. सो व्हाट आई डू इज मैं nth टर्म का फॉर्मूला लगा देता हूँ. an इज इक्वल टू a प्लस n माइनस 1d. बट उसमें भी तो n नहीं है हमारे पास. तो उससे एक इक्वेशन बन जाएगा n और d का. फिर सम ऑफ n टर्म्स का फॉर्मूला लगाऊंगा, उससे भी एक इक्वेशन बन जाएगा n और d का. एंड आई कैन फाइंड n. मतलब मेरे पास पूरा मैप तो रेडी है. लास्ट टर्म का फॉर्मूला क्या है, कोई बता सकता है? a प्लस एल डी ना. इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर लास्ट टर्म a प्लस एल डी? नहीं, लास्ट टर्म का नहीं. a प्लस एल डी किसका फॉर्मूला है? सम ऑफ एन टर्म्स का फॉर्मूला है क्या ये? a प्लस एल डी. इसके पहले ही था ना यार. Somewhere they had used it. Here. नहीं, but यहाँ भी they have not used that formula.
So n by 2 a plus l.
n by 2 a plus l.
हाँ
इसमें भी तो n चाहिए. हाँ, लेकिन
मैम सर तो फिर
d
n
नहीं चाहिए.
निकालना
करेक्ट.
है.
हाँ, n ही निकालना है. ये सम ऑफ n टर्म्स का फॉर्मूला बताया तुमने. n by 2 a plus l.
Yes sir.
ओके, करेक्ट करेक्ट. यही फॉर्मूला सही है. फिर तो वो दूसरा वाला मेथड बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा. n by 2 a plus l. Please guys remember the formula. Don't be like me, forgetful. Yes. Who was answering? Archana, right?
Yes sir.
Yes. Done, beta?
So actually I'm not getting correct answer.
Did you apply the formula a n by 2 a plus l?
Yes sir.
Okay.
So at the end I'm getting left, so like n is equal to 798 upon 21.
Okay. Anybody else can tell?
Sir options.
C.
Sir C.
Okay. Okay. Let's check the correct option and the method as well. ये वो लोग ने nth टर्म की जगह पे 20 डाला है. सो वही ये n by 2 a plus l वाला फॉर्मूला है, बट लिटिल बिट डिफरेंट वे वो लोग ने किया है इसको. सो तेरे को क्या आया? 798. अर्चना तेरे को क्या आया था? 790.
Yes sir, 798 upon 21.
हाँ, तो सही है ना. 38. सिर्फ सॉल्व करना था. मुझे लगा मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में आया तेरा आंसर. ओके, नेक्स्ट. The sum of first 5 multiples of 3 is. Who will answer me this? J Hope. J Hope will answer me this.
Yes, sir. Wait a minute. I'm doing.
No, you cannot answer simply. Huh? You have to sing. You have to sing and answer. Like J Hope. Am I guessing correct? He's a singer, right?
Yes, sir.
So you cannot answer it like. If it is, the answer is what are the options? Let me check. If it is 45, you have to sing 45. I will first time witness somebody singing 45.
Sir, I got the answer.
Okay, sing and tell me. Come on. J Hope. Oh, what a nice tune, man. फिर से वैसे हंस के दिखाओ. Oh, मतलब you laugh also in सुर. सुर में हंसना. वाह, क्या बात है.
So the answer is 4545.
4545. ये क्या हम लोग वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको? कौन सा गेम रहता है वो? हाउसी खेल रहे क्या? 4545. जे होप. जे होप सुर में हंस गई. जे होप हर एक करेक्ट आंसर के बाद यू हैव टू लाफ लाइक दिस. ओके, वेरी नाइस. What is the answer? 45 ना? Yes, correct. Very good, J Hope. चलो, और कोई ऐसा कोई इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं है क्या यहाँ पे? चलो, हमारा खजाना भी खत्म हो चुका है अब. अब सारे सॉल्विंग वाले क्वेश्चंस है. सो